Xbox Gaming coming back with just a tutorial here. So with the new channels coming out and everything, and I've been seeing a lot of how to record party chat. A lot on our Xbox Game Bar and PC. If you're playing on Steam with your friends. Right now I'm playing on Ready or Not with a friend of mine, and then we play together. And I've been wanting to get our audio and then add it in the videos that I put on YouTube, and for better content for our viewers, so they can engage and enjoy more of the the videos that we put out. And I've been searching, and there's a lot of stuff out there. Either you're gonna OBS and a capture card, this and that. Well, with having a new channel and trying to learn everything, so I've been hoping that I can get the game bar to actually work how I want it to. So let's make this short and get to the point. So the first thing you are going to need, you're going to have to set up is what you're listening to. So where is the volume coming from? So right now all my sound goes through my speakers on my Astro A30 headset, and then I'm using a Blue Snowball mic, so you can see my voice moving around right there while I'm doing the recording for you. So, and then if all your settings are good here and everything else, I'm not a Microsoft super whiz, but YouTube has a bunch of tutorials of how to set up your PC for recording settings and video settings, so I'll definitely check that out. So I got a lot of help from there. And then what you're going to do is you go to your game bar. Now the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to your settings. You're going to go down to capture. Now this has been working for me. Our last video, I'll add a link to it, for the Ready or Not play series that we're doing with the Psych Hospital. I was able to get my buddy's voice in there with our gameplay. So it came out pretty good. It was a little wonky. I think I had something running in the background with the FPS, and the frame rate was kind of choppy, but usually I don't have that issue, but I'll check on that for the next one. But the audio did come through. It was working really well, is what I wanted it to do. So what you're going to do is you go to your capturing. So right here, your settings, and this is your overlay of everything for your Windows Game Bar and PC. So you go to your settings, go to capturing, have all audio to record, all game enabled mic apps and system. You want to check that. I do have show microphone recording notifications. I don't believe you need that, but it works for me, so I know that my microphone is recording. So I give it a few seconds. I let it record for a few seconds before I start talking or the game or whatever. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your audio, which if you don't have that, where's it at? Right here. So if you don't see your audio, if your audio thing is gone, or you don't see that, you can go to your widget menu, go to audio, exit out, audio. It'll bring up your audio right here. Make sure you have a blue line here. First thing you're going to want to do is when you go to your mix, your Windows default output. Now I had a lot of issues with this, and it was not working for some weird reason. I don't know why. But my speakers are going to be my Astro A30 speakers. You can see them here. I do have the volume a little bit over my system sounds. So everything else looks good. And now you're going to go to your voice. So when I'm talking to you right now, you're going to see my voice moving around, and that's my Blue Snowball, my microphone that I'm using. You're going to see communications output, which is my speakers, my input, which is my Snowball, and then you're going to see Xbox Party Chat. So when you add your friends, here is my son that I play with, our Fortnite videos or whatever it is, my wife that will usually play, and then here's my buddy. He's not on right now. So when you add them into your party chat, you can open up your party chat. You can adjust the volume. Now here's where a thing that got me too is that your audio that comes through your party chat of all the friends that you're talking to in your recordings, you want to be able to hear that. You have to hear that. So have it go through your headset speakers or whatever you're using for sound. Now I tried my screen because I am using a Samsung Frame TV, which works great for monitors. Just my opinion. It was not working. I was only getting the game audio and I was getting my audio, but I was not getting his. So I switched it, and then I'm using the Astro A30 speakers, the headset. not the microphone. I'm using my Blue Snowball. You can probably use any type of headset device. So this is a Bluetooth headset. You could probably use a plug-in one, whatever it is. So I'm not a computer whiz, but I'm learning as we go. And then here's the party volume, and then your audio input, which is my Snowball. You'll see the Astro mic that I'm not using. I'm using the Snowball output. And then there you go. That's pretty much all I had to do, and then exit out of that. So when you come down to your audio again, your mix, Astro 330, make sure this is a little higher than your system sounds, my voice, all like that. And then you can open up the party chat, and then you can adjust the volume and all this other stuff. Leave everything else alone. Everything seems to be working good for me. And then even when you add somebody, I can't add somebody right now, but you can adjust their volume. So, try it a couple times, do a little practice runs. I'll try and record when I'm in the Steam or the Ready or Not menu, and I can record a couple seconds and see how the audio is working, and I can adjust all that, even the game audio. I would leave the microphone gain on the Ready or Not alone if you are playing that game. I noticed that if I adjust the microphone, it does kind of screw everything up. So I know Ready or Not is early access, so just throwing it out there. But it has been working good for me. I have not been using any issues at all. Now, the only thing that I can't do, which kind of sucks, is that when I go to record the game, I have to record my audio and my friend's audio and the game audio together. So I can't so if I click out of this, I can't go to Audiosity and then have that volume go to Audiosity where I have two different tracks, where I have my video track and my audio track. So if anybody knows any better way of doing that, if they figured something out, I've seen a lot of these issues everywhere. I'm not the first person that's asked about how to record party chat. So if you guys have any other options, anything that works better, what's working for you, let me know. And if you guys find this helpful, please like and leave a comment. And if you want to see more, we are doing our tactical series with all the games that we do, Fortnite, Roblox with my kids, whatever it is, subscribe, and then we hope you guys enjoy the content. So for right now, I hope this helped out. It's finally working for me, so I can't wait to get some more content out there. So that was the big problem for me, is I wanted to get content out there with all the audio that was coming in through our games, so it'd be more immersive for you guys, so you guys would be able to hear everything and feel like you're included in the game with us. I got some comments where all we hear is the game and your voice. I know I don't use a camera right now, so I'm working on that. So, but all right. So I hope this helps you out. Let me know. Leave a like and comment. If it does work, what's not working for you. So we'll see you on the next one. All right.